to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see a very important topic from the Python development community, and which is on pandas library. So we keep on hearing about this pandas library a lot when we do any kind of Python application development at enterprise level, and I have always wondered that why it is so great. After using it quite a lot of time, uh, it's really a great resource to do any kind of data analysis or data manipulation that we usually have to do as a part of any application development that we do using Python. Like there are lots of use cases when we do any kind of when we are trying to solve any problem where we wanted to read data from somewhere, do some kind of analysis on the top of it, do some, like for example, some joins, some kind of aggregation functions, or lots of other things as well, and do some kind of data manipulation, convert the format, add some columns, change the format of a particular column. Lots of data manipulation and data analysis activities, and then we probably have to write some kind of new data sets into the other destination systems, like let it be the CSVs, some databases, Excels, spreadsheets. It could be any file system as well, right? So all these kinds of activities, if I try to summarize that what exactly is pandas library, it's a very fast, very reliable, I would say, data manipulation slash data analysis library or tool that is written on the top of Python framework, right? And which gives you this ability to do data manipulation. They have lots of connectors to read the data from various data sources, do the data manipulation or data analysis, and then you can write this, let's say, manipulated or transformed data into any kind of destination system, like let it be any kind of databases, Oracle, MySQL, any kind of file system, like CSVs, and lots of other delimiters you have within CSV. Then if you wanted to write your data into HDFS, GFS, which is your Google Cloud Storage. So all these connectors are provided by using the pandas library. So now this is kind of a high level introduction about what exactly is pandas library is all about, and let's try to configure, or let's try to see how to configure a pandas library into your Python application development environment. Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to assuming that you are using PyCharm as your ID, you have to go to PyCharm, click on settings, and in this Python interpreter you will have to install this pandas library by clicking on this plus. So if you see here, I already have this pandas library installed within my development space, but assuming, let's say, it is not there, what you will have to do is you will have to click on this plus, type pandas here. Yeah, the first thing it will come is going to be the official link to install pandas. You just go ahead and click on install package. So by clicking this, it will install this particular package, and then it will be visible here, right? So this is how we use pandas. And if you click just OK, let's try creating a basic script as, let's say, pandas demo. Yeah, and you just try importing this library, import pandas as PD. Now this import pandas as PD is kind of a industry-wide standard that has been even mentioned on the official website of pandas as well, that this is what industry kind of a understanding, industry wide understanding, that whenever we wanted to use pandas, we generally go with import pandas as pd and then use pd for the subsequent things that you wanted to do using pandas library, right? So this is how you import the pandas library, and then using pd dot, there are lots of things like whatever you are seeing here. These are the things that are given as a part of this pandas library, and you can use it based on your need, or what, for whatever purpose. Let's say you wanted to read the data from csv, then you will use this pd.read csv, give the path of your csv, right? And then it will return you the data frame. So pandas always talks about, or pandas, the way pandas handle the data is using a data frame, and data frame is kind of a tabular format of a data. We'll talk about it, but for now you just remember that this is how we import the data. If we wanted to read the data or use any kind of a libraries that are being supported here, then you can use it. And most probably, most of the times, pandas library will return you either a data frame or something called as series. Yeah, so basically this is what the high level overview of pandas. I hope now you'll be able to configure the pandas library into your development environment, and you got some kind of high level overview about what exactly is the pandas library and what all things you can achieve using pandas. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.